These are the best high leverage Forex brokers for Australian traders in 2025. I'm Noah.
And I'm Justin. We've been comparing Forex brokers for over a decade now, and we've been looking at the latest when it comes to CFD and Forex trading trends.
In this video, we're going to uncover the very best high leverage Forex brokers as offered to Australian traders. Just a quick disclaimer, this video is very different from the video we shot not too long ago about the global high leverage Forex brokers. There are obviously some Forex brokers in that video that can't cater to the Australian market, so I just want to add that in as a disclaimer right off the bat. Alright Justin, so we're looking at high leverage, specifically those brokers that can onboard Australian business. And at number one on the list we had Pepperstone. Why Pepperstone?
Okay, so Pepperstone are ASIC regulated, and they offer the maximum leverage available for Australian traders under an ASIC license. So for a retail trader, that's 30 to 1 on major currencies and 20 to 1 depending on the type, and it can be even lower, such as 5 to 1 when it comes to crypto. So these are the maximum leverage numbers that a broker can offer under ASIC. Pepperstone offer that, and if you qualify as a professional trader, and there's a few hurdles to jump over, you got to show that you're a sophisticated investor and the amount of capital that you got behind you, then leverage can go up to 500 to 1. So again, 30 to 1 for retail, 500 to 1 for professional. That's the highest level you can get. Now it's worth noting that Pepperstone was also the best Australian Forex broker overall. And a few key reasons why we rated that was, first of all, their fees. They had some of the lowest fees, primarily based on their Razor or ECN account. So that's when you have a spread and a commission. The commission rate is $3.50 AUD. The spreads were some of the lowest on most of the currency pairs that we evaluated against the other broker. They have award-winning customer service. They offer all the trading platforms. So that's including MT4, MT5, CTrader, TradingView, and their own, and then we measured the actual execution speed, and they were one of the fastest of all the brokers. So they have a lot going for them. They offer the maximum leverage. It's obvious why we rate them as number one when it came to high leverage for an Australian Forex broker.
Okay, so that's Pepperstone at number one. At number two on the list is BlackBull Markets. Now they're a New Zealand broker regulated by the FMA down there. Why are they on this list?
Well, Nom's exactly right. So we just mentioned that Pepperstone are the best ASIC regulated. Now BlackBull are not ASIC regulated, they're FMA regulated in New Zealand. So FMA is still a T1 regulation, obviously with very strong levels of protection, but the plus side is that they allow a high level of leverage. That's the way that regulators chosen, and that can be up to 500 to 1. So BlackBull can actually onboard Australian retail traders, and they can get leverage up to 500 to 1. That doesn't mean 500 to 1 is automatic and not necessarily right for your needs, because high leverage means higher risk, and we certainly tell beginner traders to start at lower leverage amounts, but that is on offer. And look, there's a lot of sophisticated Australian traders that require high leverage for their trading strategies. So certainly BlackBull have a niche. They onboard a lot of Australian traders based on that, but they have a lot of other really cool features. So one of the key ones that we like is the fact that they have the lowest commission rate of any Forex broker, as long as you have a very high deposit amount. I believe it's 20,000 USD
As an institutional, for the institutional account. Correct.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So they have a pro account, and that's 2,000 USD, and then the institutional is 20,000, and so they're very high levels of minimum deposits, whereas Pepperstone, it's really $0. I mean, they recommend $200, but it's really zero. Obviously, BlackBull's going for that real professional type of trader, so it requires a higher minimum deposit if you want to open these types of accounts. But on the plus side, they're going to give you very low spreads and really low commission rates. So if you're looking for a high leverage, low trading cost type of broker, BlackBull may be the right broker for you.
Okay, so that's Pepperstone at one, BlackBull at number two. At number three on the list, we had eToro. Why eToro?
Okay, so eToro runs off the list because it's kind of a niche type of broker. So what eToro goes for is they go for this copy trading / social trading. And so a lot of people, they just want to either look at what's happening around them in the social community and trade based on that, or they may see a few traders and want to enter a platform where they can identify these types of traders, and based on what types of trades that they make and their success history, etc., they want to follow them. So eToro has a platform just built for this, and it's probably got the biggest social community of any broker. Now they are also ASIC regulated like Pepperstone, which means they have the same maximum leverage for retail traders. That's 30-1 for major currencies, 20 for miners, and probably 5-1 when it comes to crypto. Now, if you then become a professional trader, once again, there's hurdles to do that. They offer 400-1. So I mentioned before, Pepperstone 500-1 for professional. eToro is slightly lower for 400-1. That's still very, very high, especially for this types of trading, which is copy trading, where you kind of passing control to the system and to an individual that you may or may not know. So certainly, for this type of trader, we'd recommend it, but it's a very small niche.
Okay, so let's just summarize it for everybody back home. At number 3 on the list, we recommended eToro. They boast leverage for sophisticated traders of up to 400-1, slightly less than what Pepperstone offer with 500-1 for sophisticated traders. At number 2 on the list, we have BlackBull Markets. Again, they're not regulated by ASIC, they're regulated by the FMA, but they are able to onboard Australian traders, and they can offer traders up to 500-1.
As a retail trader.
As a retail trader, so you don't have to kind of jump through the hurdles that you need to jump through to qualify for the same amount with a Pepperstone. And at number 1 on the list, we had Pepperstone. They offer 500-1 or up to 500-1 for a sophisticated or professional trader, and up to 30-1 on Forex if you're a retail trader. And they were also awarded our overall best Forex broker in Australia in 2025. Justin, any closing comments you'd like to make about the best high leverage brokers for Australian traders in 2025?
Look, my closing thought is that if you're going to open a Pepperstone account, they'll offer you a standard account or a raw account. We'd recommend strongly the raw account, also known as a razor, that's got a spread and a commission. Look at our methodology. We've done an evaluation of both. That raw account has the lower trading fees, so it's a no-brainer. If you're given the option, go down that route, and they've got some of the lowest trading fees of any ASIC regulated broker.
All right, there you have it, guys. The best high leverage Forex brokers for Australian traders in 2025. Please don't hesitate to leave us a thumbs up, to subscribe, and let us know what you think about this video in the comment section down below. If there are any other videos that you'd like us to create for you this year to aid you on your trading journey, also let us know in the comment section down below. Thanks so much for watching.
Thank you.